The Justice Department is officially moving forward with the reclassification of marijuana as a Schedule III drug. The move would not legalize cannabis or decriminalize it on a nationwide scale, but it would ultimately ease restrictions on the drug and give it some of the same sort of regulatory parity as other substances like ketamine and anabolic steroids. So for more on all of this and what exactly it means, I want to bring in CBS News Justice Department reporter and producer Robert Legare. So, Robert, how significant is this push for reclassification?
Hey, Lana, thanks for having me. That's right. So today, the Justice Department officially submitted to the Federal Register what is called a proposed rule or a notice of proposed rulemaking. And this is basically the Justice Department saying we intend, letting the federal government know, we intend to reschedule marijuana from a Schedule III substance to from a Schedule I substance to a Schedule III substance. And so that basically means the significance of this is basically that it takes it from being from classifying it as a very addictive substance, one that has no medical purposes and that poses a danger, to one that actually could be used in a medical setting and is less likely to be addictive. That's according to the HHS review of this that was initiated in 2022. The Attorney General is now submitting this proposed rule saying that they intend to do this in the coming days.
So then is it a done deal? Do other things need to happen in order for this reclassification to be approved? What's the timeline look like also for all this?
Sure. So to answer that question, we got to go back to 2022. October of 2022, President Biden asked HHS and DOJ to take a look at this issue. HHS evaluated it and basically submitted its recommendation to the Justice Department and DEA. DEA is the law enforcement component below or under the auspices of the Justice Department that handles all of the drug enforcement issues. And so after that review, it came here to DOJ. They are now submitting it to the Federal Register. There's a 60-day comment period, and so there's going to be some administrative review in that period as well. And then after that 60-day period, the Justice Department will officially make the rule, put the rule into the Federal Register.
So what then does this mean? We mentioned that it's not being legalized, it's not being decriminalized. What does this actually mean then in terms of how people who are producing it, using it for medical purposes, et cetera, then operating under this reclassification?
Right. So as you said at the top, this is not a decriminalization, or it's not, and it's also not making it legal throughout the country. What this is just doing is saying that there are going to be less restrictions on it, and the federal government views it as less dangerous. That doesn't mean that people who traffic it aren't going to be charged anymore at the federal level. And again, this is kind of part of a broader push by the Biden administration to take a different approach to marijuana and cannabis policy. You'll remember that last year, the Biden administration moved to pardon hundreds of individuals, who were convicted of simple possession of the drug. And so this is just like the next step in the administration's view of changing its policy and stance of the federal government towards marijuana.
All right. Robert Legare, thank you.